The differential is part of your vehicle's drivetrain, the system that connects the transmission to the drive axles. All vehicles have some form of differential, and some vehicles, like four-wheel drive, have multiple differentials. The differential is designed to compensate for the difference in distance and the varying speeds between the inner wheels and outer wheels. When you make a turn, the outside wheels have a slightly greater distance to travel than the inside wheels, so the outside wheels have to rotate slightly faster than the inside. The differential makes this possible. Your differential is cooled, lubricated, and protected by differential fluid. Over time, this fluid deteriorates, losing detergents and anti-corrosion properties. Moisture, road salts, and dirt accumulate in the fluid, accelerating its breakdown and contribute to wear of the gears. These same gears can break off with bits of metal, becoming suspended in the fluid, further accelerating component wear. Vehicles subject to stop-and-go driving, extended idle times, short trips, temperature extremes, or experience the increased demands from towing or hauling put even more stress on the differential fluid and should be serviced more frequently. Differential fluid needs to be replaced as recommended to ensure performance, long differential life, and to reduce potentially costly repairs. When your differential fails, it can damage your axles and other driveline components. A complete differential service replaces worn, depleted fluid with fresh fluid, containing a full package of detergent and anti-corrosion properties. Ask your professional service consultant about scheduling a complete differential service to extend the life of your vehicle.